everybody, welcome to my channel today. Again, if you're a new member, thank you and welcome to my channel. Please do not forget to hit the subscribe button before leaving today. Okay, thank you all for coming, and for those who have always been here, thank you so much for stopping by again. All right, so let's get straight to business. Today, what we'll be doing today is one of my favorite. Oh my gosh, I love guacamole. All right, and that's exactly what we'll be learning today. Let's dive right in. All right, first thing first, what I want to do is slice my onions. Just slice it up. Have fun with it. Play with it. Play with it. Anyway, just slice your onions. Just slice it according to how you like it. Like, I don't know, I love onions, but when it comes to guac, I'm not really a big fan of like big onion slices. Okay, so the next thing you want to do is grab your guac. Make sure you press it. As you can see in the video, I'm kind of like pressing it to like soften it, and make sure your guacamole is ripe. Okay, do not buy those hard rock as guacamole. Okay, so twist it, open it up, and scoop into your plate. Just use a spoon, scoop it out and put into your plate, and do the same for the other brother or sister, as the case may be. Scoop it into your plate. Take your time, enjoy it, and we're almost done. I love guacamole because it's so easy to make, and I actually love it when it's fresh. All right, so if you notice here, I didn't put all of the onions. I just kept like half of it to start with, just to give it that onion vibe and flavor, and all the good stuff. So what I'm just doing is I'm just crushing it now with my spoon, the edge of my spoon. If you notice, I'm just literally using the edge to like mash it down. But if you want, you can at this point choose maybe like a fork, but I don't know, I love using spoon because I can kind of like mold it into like a nice beautiful shape. Next, now I'll be adding is my salt and pepper. For this, I didn't really put a specific ingredient for salt and pepper because I feel like that definitely comes with personal preference. I'm not very big on salt. I do most of my cooking without salt, so because of that, I don't know, like I would say maybe like a pinch or two pinches of salt, if there's anything like that. Pinches. Anyway, the next thing you want to do is add the rest of your onions and a tiny itty bitty of lime juice. And guess what, guys? We are done. We are done. Yup, that's how easy it is to make yourself your own guac. Oh my gosh, I love this. This can be used as a spread for your butter. You can have it with like whatever, burrito, like name it. It goes in everywhere. All right, thank you all for stopping by. I really do appreciate you all. Do not forget to subscribe, and thank you for stopping by once again. Thank you, and have a beautiful day. Bye now.